Okay, so if you got the new Toniebox 2 with the curvy edges and the LED display here, and you want to know how to set it up, first thing you got to do is on your phone, I'm going to go to the App Store. It used to be called the My Tonies app, but now it's just called the Tonies app. Yes. There you go. And there it is there. Tonies GmbH is the author of the app, just so you know which one's which. And I already have it installed, so I'm going to click the button, but if you don't, you'd have to say install and then do whatever needs to happen to install it. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. So from here, if you're not logged in already, you click the little people icon on the top here, and then from there it'll help you create an account. And once you have your account, you go ahead and log in. One of the nice features is you can link to your Tonies account with an Apple ID, so you don't have to create a specific Tonie account if you just want to use your phone. That's one way to do it. So after you do create your account and you have access to Tonies website or app, you're going to want to make sure you plug in your Tonies box. So again, it's a USB-C plug. Goes right in the back here. You hear it snap, and there you go. Now if you don't have it plugged in, it's not going to start the setup process. And reminder, it doesn't come with its own plug, so that's unfortunate. What you're looking for is under collection on the bottom right. So you're going to click that, and we're going to say Toniebox up top here where it says Toniebox. We're just going to hit the plus button over here. Okay, so now it says, do you have Toniebox 2 or Toniebox 1? And I have Toniebox 2, so I'm going to select that. Select. Plug in your Toniebox. Yep, I did that. Next. Make sure Toniebox is on. Squeeze an ear if the light ring is not illuminated. Well, it is, so I continue. Okay, Tonies is attempting to remove. Sure, I don't know what that means, but remove it. Third accessory. Searching for Toniebox 2. Okay, it found it. So now that it found it, click the setup button. Finish setup in the app. Okay. Alright, so we'll continue in the app. And now in the app it says, hey, we found your Toniebox. Squeeze either ear to finish pairing it. Okay. Pairing successful. That is super easy compared to how it was in the old Toniebox 1. Alright, so my Wi-Fi, I'm going to select. I'm going to put in my password. Click connect to Wi-Fi network button. And now it is connecting. So as that goes on, we will give it a second here. See what happens. Reminder just to anybody watching, if you just tuned in, it's plugged in. You have to have it plugged in to do this Toniebox 2 setup. Oh, we'll just let that run for a minute. Does tell you nice on the top, step 4 of 6. Okay, Wi-Fi connection was successful. So there's 2 age settings you can do. 3+, it can play while it's charging. I think it has to do with having a power cord out. I'm going to go 3+. Put a Tonie on the box.
I'm your Toniebox, and I'm so happy you're here.
So now that it's set up, you just put a Toniebox on, it'll download it and start playing. I'm going to click get started because there's a little bit more to it. There's gestures here and tells you how to tap, tilt, and squeeze. So you can basically use that to fast forward or rewind by tilting. And then if you tap it, it skips to the next song or goes back to the previous song. And then there's this Ruby that's supposed to be here to help us. So we can say get started. You can add a household member, and I think that's where you can give families creative Tonies And so the grandparents can buy a Creative Tonie. If you invite them into the app, they can record inside the app themselves and then mail the Creative Tonie to you. I think that's how it works with the Toniebox too. I'm going to skip it for now. We're going to give it a name. Just say, yep, profile missing name. Now let's make it yours. Setting tour. So again, this is going to take you through the app. You can adjust the Toniebox settings under the collection button. You can select which Toniebox that you're managing by then going under the collections button and clicking that Toniebox. You can open settings on the upper right, so you can see how to get into adjusting volume, the lights, intensity, the Wi-Fi, and more. And here's your volume, so you can say, I might want my max volume at 85 and my max headphone at 85. And then you set them and click continue. And I might want my brightness just down a little bit because it's pretty bright at night. So I do that. And then that's it. You're done. Back to home screen. And if you wanted to come back and share it later, you can always come back to the Toniebox settings and click share this Toniebox and invite somebody else to your household. So now you're connected and you can slap the Tonies on there. Let's get playing. And last but not least, I'll put a link below to the support website on Tonies.com, which has some pretty good help articles that might be able to help you if you have issues beyond the typical setup here in terms of setting up the Toniebox 2 and things you might run into that are just outside of the typical setup here. And I'll also put a link to the Contact Us form. This is useful if you know you have an issue that you don't find a frequently asked question for or a document already on the Tonies website. You can put in your email address and your name, and then you can tell them, what you're having an issue with. I'm going to say Toniebox 2. I'm going to say setup, so I'll say troubleshooting. And then right there it says, are you experiencing trouble with Toniebox 2 setup process? And I'll put a link to this below. It's a very valuable Contact Us form. So you can fill it out and put in your Toniebox ID, which is on the bottom of the Toniebox, and then a subject and a kind of a description of what's going on. Well, I logged in and I used to be able to add a Toniebox 1 to your account using the website, but I do not see the option for Toniebox 2. So if anybody else finds it, let me know. It's possible that with Toniebox 2 and the addition of Bluetooth, they're driving all of their management of the Toniebox 2s and the setup of the Toniebox 2s to a phone or tablet device that has Bluetooth. I think that would be interesting if that's the case. If anybody knows anything about that, please post a comment below. And if there is a way to set it up on the computer and I find it later, I will add a comment and pin it to the top of the comments below. But as of right now, it looks like you need a Android or Apple device with the Tonies app installed to be able to set up the Toniebox. So there's two things it doesn't come with. It doesn't come with a way to set it up if you don't have a device, and it doesn't come with a power brick. Yeah, modern times, I guess. We're all in it together. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell to subscribe, or feel free to share it with somebody else who you think might enjoy it. Thanks again.